Lay back. We're going to be here for a while. Seriously, guys, we're going to be here for a while. Okay. There's 3 lot sizes. Let me make sure this is high enough. Ronnie, come here. I can't have you having drama, man. Come here. Come here. Come here. She's scared. Guys, let me just fix something. She's scared of, I have mirrored the glass on the front window on the balcony is mirrored, so she's looking and she's seeing herself. Hold on a second. Yeah, she knows. Come here, Ronnie. Come here, girl. Get over here. Come here. Come here. Oh my God. I got a golden retriever, scared of her own shadow. I got a golden retriever scared of her shadow. I got people in fear of pits. Okay. Okay, it's gone. The ghost is gone. Kitty over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right. You scared of the pips? You're scared of pips. That's what it is. You're scared of the pip monster. All right. Even my golden retriever is scared of the pip. She has fear of pips right now. Oh my gosh. This is comical. What are you scared of? Okay. So there's 3 lot sizes. I'm going to do it from the beginning. There's the micro lot, which is that on MetaTrader 4, and that controls $1,000 leverage. I'm not worried about Trader's Way. I'm not worried about FXCM. I'm not worried about 50 to 1, period. 1 micro lot equals 1,000 in leverage. The mini lot, oh gee, if I don't put lot next to it, somebody's not going to understand that. And they're going to get mad at me. I'm making sure we cover our bases here. It's okay. That's my job. Look, guys, bottom line is I asked to eat, and I am not complaining because I'm getting fed. I got to make sure you eat and you understand what you're doing, okay? No, ask the questions. If you don't ask the questions, I don't know the answer. You'll never know the answer unless you ask the questions. It's cool, all right? Believe me, this is the room of self-improvement. You know what, Ronnie? There's 24 floors off this balcony that you can fly down like with little wings on your back. Okay, my angel? 24 floors to say you, right off. That's it. That's it. That's it. No more. I'm going to turn you into a bird. She's like, what? Standard. I'm creating monsters. I don't care. I'm creating monsters. Listen, where everybody else gets up there and they're talking and bragging how great they are, they forgot one thing. They haven't taught the basics. And that's not cool. So we're going to teach the basics. No talking about how great anybody is. So here's what we got. All right? Here's what we got. There's 3 lot sizes in trading. There's the micro lot, the mini lot, and the standard lot. Okay? Fair enough? So, now, so you understand something. So we're right here. This right here will give you, and what I'm gonna do, guys, when I re-record it, when we do the recording, I'm gonna cut out all the beginning. So I'm gonna come right to here. So you don't have to have all the beginning nonsense. All right. So there's 3 lot sizes when trading: micro lot, mini lot, standard lot. Fair enough? Okay. And I'm going to edit this so you're not going to have all the garbage that we had before and the confusion and stuff. And I'm not going to put anybody on video. I'm not going to do that. All right? Believe me, I'm not going to do that. I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. All right? We're in class right now, and the markets don't exist for me. Seriously. So we have in, okay, okay, she's calmed down. Standard lot. Okay, actually, no. Pip equal fourth digit. This pipette or sub pip. We'll call it the pipette from that one. Is equal to the fifth digit. EURUSD. Okay, 1.09410. Okay. So that's the price, is the price. Now when price moves from 1.09410 to 1.09411, all right? I saw where the issue is, now we're solving it, okay? You're gonna have all the information properly now. This is equal to 1 pipette, okay? 10 pipettes. Did I type that wrong? All right, listen, if I typed it wrong, we'll just like that, pipettes. I don't care, don't worry about the typing. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Don't worry about it. In 1 pip. So as long as you got the basic here, everything else is going to be correct. I just want to get the theory, the everything right, and then we're good. So the pip is the fourth digit. The pip, sub-pip is the fifth digit. Now, let me just stop here for a second. Where you have here, okay? Right here, we have 3 numbers. Okay, we have 3 numbers. Right here, USDJPY. You have 3 numbers right here. You have the second is the pip, the third is the pipette. Okay. 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 What's the price? What's the price? 118,246. 118,246. Pip equal second digit. Pipette third digit. Ronnie, come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Come. Come here. Come here. Stop it. She's nervous about, she's seen her shadow. Okay. Okay. That applies to all the pairs with JPY. That is correct. Good catch. $10. Okay, so no matter what, there's always 10 pipettes in a pip. So the pip is the fourth digit. Let me just fix this so it looks proper, okay? price moves from 118,246 to 118,247, okay, equal 1 pipette. Price moves from 118,246 to 118,256 equal 1 pip. Price moves from 1.09410 to up to 1.09510 equal 1 pip. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Carlos, you're wrong. Okay? So, one more time. Let's, for example, we have three lot sizes. We have 3 lot sizes. Okay. There we go. The bang, the bang, the bam, the boom. You're from South Africa? Yeah, I'm getting you questions, but I'm doing one thing at a time. All right? This is more important. There's 3 lot sizes. A micro lot, a mini lot, a standard lot. A micro lot is equal to $1,000 worth of leverage or cash that you're working with in the market. Mini lot is a 0.10. That's a 10,000 worth of currency. And standard lot is 1.0, and that's $100,000 worth of currency. The EUR/USD, the price, for example, is 1.0410, and the 4th digit is the pip. The 5th digit is the pipette. Okay, now, all right, I'll have to erase that. My bad, I'm so sorry. 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 Okay, I'm sorry. I was going through it. Don't worry about it. So when the price moves from 1.09410 to 1.09411, that last digit, the 5th digit, is called a pipette for all intents and purposes. All right. The price move from 410 to 420 is 1 pip. That's in the for instance, the EUR/USD and all the other currencies, the GBP, USD, all that. The USD/JPY, or all the Japanese pair crosses 246. The 2nd digit is the pip. The 3rd digit is the pipette. So if price moves from 246 to 247, that's 1 pipette. If it goes from 246 to 256, that's 1 pip. There's 10 pipettes in 1 pip. Oops. Okay. So, all right. So we're all on the same page here. Yes? Everybody on the same page now? So far? We're on the same page? All right. Okay. So now, let's take a standard lot. Let's just take a standard lot, okay? Standard lot. a standard lot is $10 a pip, and $1 pipette. 10 Okay. So, forget about leverage, forget about all this stuff, guys, just focus. So, when we talk about a standard lot, okay, we talk about a standard lot when prices go from, if we have a standard lot right here, that's a standard lot on MetaTrader 4 1.0. When it goes from 410 to 411, that's one pipette. One pipette is equal to $1. There's 10 pipettes in one pip. That's $10 equal one pip, right? So the pip is the fourth digit. So when it goes from 410 to 420, that's one pip. There's 10 pipettes in one pip. That means there's $10 in one pip move. Each pip move is $10. Kyle is asking me, can I explain how I'm able to control $1,000 with a 0.01 lot size? No, not yet. Not yet, my friend. Nope, I'm not doing that. Until I get to where I have to get to, we're not moving. So does anybody not understand this? I'm going to make sure everybody says yes. So who does not understand it? Who does not understand what I put here? No, don't tell me if you understand it. Forget that. Who doesn't understand it? Please, just tell me. Who does not understand it? Ronnie, you don't understand it? You want me to do it over for you? Hold on a second. Wait, you want to learn what a pip is? Is that what it is? You want to learn what a pip is? Hey, you hungry? You want some treat? Come here. Come here. I gave you treats. Oh, wow, I got a bone here for you. Hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go get the bone. Go ahead. There's no monster there. What are you worried about? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh, you're scared of the duck? All right. Okay, so Mark Brajic says one lot size is $100. What does that have to do with my conversation, Mark? Mark, what does that have to do with what we're teaching? Mark? Nothing, right? It has nothing to do with anything, right? Nothing at all. Your conversation has nothing to do with our conversation, so stay with my conversation, please, okay? We'll get to your conversation. Yes, all right. So right now we're under the proper understanding. So let's continue. The mini lot, the pip is $1. Okay, so if we use the base formula right here, so if we took a look at the mini lot is $10,000. Let me take out the word leverage, okay? Let me just take out the word leverage because I think that's not a good word, Okay, let me just take out the word leverage, okay? Let me just take out the word leverage. Don't worry about that. We're just going to... Currency. That's an easier word. Currency. Okay. So in a mini lot, 0.10 is the trade size. Matthew Samuel, when I'm calling you out, why you worry about your trade account and all that stuff? Why can't you focus on what we're focusing on? You're so focusing on trading something on your account size than actually how to learn what the trade side is. Stop it. All right? This is the problem here. Too many people don't understand the basics and throw money at the markets. And then last night I got somebody blowing up with $900 because they don't know what it means. What's a pip? What's a tick? What's a this? What's a that? And they just throw money at the markets like they're at the casino. All right? Please. You guys want to see something cool? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, listen, guys, I'm on your side, all right? I'm on your side. You want to see something really cool? Ronnie wants to see something cool. She's like, what's up? That's my golden retriever over here. That's Ronnie. She's like, what's up? Come here. I got my water. I have my dog guys. They bring up the water. Hey, what's the matter? She's got little bow ties. You see this? She's got little bow ties. Come here, Ronnie. All right. She's a good girl. All right. So, all right, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. So yesterday I had a meeting. I had a meeting in my downstairs, and I was waiting for these guys to show up because I'm negotiating. I'm taking over a company, all right? And before they show up, I had the CEO and the president and the vice president, all the lawyers, everything against me, right? So I took $20 and I put it into a machine, the what's it called, the roulette, the video roulette, and I started playing with $20. I grinded it up to $500. So what I'm going to do after we finish here tonight is I'm going to go downstairs and find an old lady who's sitting at the penny slots, and I'm going to give her $520 cash. I'm going to give her a ticket. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to bless somebody with $520. All right? Oh, by the way, that's not demo money. That's actually real money right there. So the point is, you can make money in anything if you grind it out, but trading is not a casino, okay? Trading is not a casino, all right? Trading is not a casino. Let's get back to the video. I'm going to go bless somebody tonight. And I'm sure somebody's going to tell me I'm full of crap, but you know what? I'm not full of crap. So let's get back to this. Then we have the micro lot. Stop worrying about your account size. Stop worrying about all that. Stop worrying about it. Mini lot, okay? Okay, let's just work together on this, guys. I want each of you guys to be beasts. You all talk about how you want to make all these millions of dollars, but you don't even know the basics. Look, my spelling's wrong. It doesn't matter. I don't care. When I finish with our video here, and I'm not leaving, and oh yeah, and Baby Pips is an absolutely amazing site. Baby Pips is actually an amazing site. I love Baby Pips. Whoever built that site, let me tell you, one of the biggest contributions to trading that's out there, it is, Baby Pips is probably the biggest contribution to education in Forex for new people, hands down. hands down. Baby Pip's got it all over everybody else. You know, they've done such a great job. They make things so simple. And I apologize if I make it a little bit difficult. All right. I'm going back 22 years now, starting over again. Okay. So we're all on the same page. I want to review this before we go forward. Okay, guys? I want to make sure we're all on the same page, please. Just work with me. Okay. Now, there's 3 lot sizes, trade lot sizes. One is the micro lot, and you're leveraging with the 0.01, you're leveraging $1,000 in currency. The mini lot is 0.10. Somebody said, how can someone not get this ABC? Simply not an IML member, shaking my head. Donnell. So you understand? I don't just have IML members here, man. This is free for anybody. This is not just for IML. So whatever I'm teaching right here, it's a gift to those who aren't even in IML. I can care less. All right? I really care less. I've been doing this for many years, speaking at public events. I've never gotten paid. I've never taken a dime for speaking at public events. I've never got paid for one-on-one mentoring. Guys, so you understand something. I've never taken a penny for one-on-one mentoring. I've never taken a penny for getting on the phone with somebody for 2 or 3 hours. I've never taken a penny. Guys, so you understand, I get paid. Okay, if I do an event where somebody knows they're paying a certain amount for 2 days, I have to pay for hotels and travel, my stuff, that's fine. But I've never taken a dollar to go speak for a group. Believe me. So just follow me, okay? Standard lot, 1.0, $100,000 in currency. Okay? How much are you making in the markets? I would venture to say a lot more than you have, okay? So let's just leave it at that. Don't worry about my money. My money's not important to you. Your money's important to you, okay? So here we go. For example, the EUR-USD, it could be the GBP USD, it could be the AUD, all those ones. The 4th digit over, okay, that's the price. The 4th digit over, meaning that this is the 4th digit right here. That's the 4th digit right there. That right there is the pip, okay? And this is the 5th digit, okay? That's the 5th digit. That's the pipette, or sub-pip, or micro-pip, whatever you want to call it. When the price moves from 10 to 11, that's 1 pipette. When the price moves from 10 to 20, that's 1 pip. And there's 10 pipettes in 1 pip. In the USD JPY, this is the number. The 2nd digit is the pip, and the 3rd digit is the pipette. So when the price moves from 6 to 7, that's 1 pipette. When the price moves from 4.6 to 5.6, that's 1 pip. And there's 10 pipettes in 1 pip. Right here, 10 pipettes in 1 pip. Now, let's continue. The standard lot is $10 a pip, $1 a pipette. For example, right here, okay, right here in this example, for a standard lot, that's $1. Okay, you moved one pipette. Here, 1 pip is $10. So in the standard lot, whoop, bang, right there. All right? In a standard lot, 1 pipette is $1. 10 of those is $10. I know this is basics, and some of you are saying this is stupid, but you know what? If you don't understand it, you don't understand it. We're going to explain it. In a mini lot, and that's this right here, where it's a 0.10 and you control $10,000 worth of currency, you have 1 pipette that's equivalent to $1. I'm sorry, pipette, that's equivalent to 10 cents. There's 10 pipettes, and that's equivalent to $1. Okay? I want you guys to be beast masters that if you have a conversation with somebody, you know the answer. You know the answer. All right? You know the freaking answer. You're never going to embarrass yourself around me. You're going to know the answer. And you're going to ask other people. You're going to challenge them. You say, how many pipettes in a pip? How many? Standard lot. How many? There's 10 pipettes. What's it worth? $1 a pipette. How many pipettes in a standard lot? 10. Okay, in one pip, there's 10 pipettes. $10 equal one pip. How much is a price move when a pip goes from point when it's one pip move? How much? $10. Great. Mini lot. How much is a pip move? $1. How many pipettes? 10 cents times 10 is $1. That's the way you gotta be like that, man. So right here. So mini lot. Each pipette is 10 cents. 10 pipettes, $1. Right here. Let's continue. And then we're going to get to risk. Okay? Okay, one more time. So a micro lot, there is a penny. It's a penny. Okay, in a pip. And 10 of those are equal to 10 cents. So, somebody says to you, listen, in a micro lot, how much, tell me about it. Well, in a micro lot, I'm controlling $1,000 worth of currency. It's 0.01. And each pip is equal to 10 cents. And in one pip, there's 10 pipettes. And each pipette is equal to a penny. So 10 pipettes is equal to 10 cents. Seriously. You have just learned exactly how to speak to people. So we're going to do it again. Ready? You tell somebody, listen, I traded one standard lot. What does that mean? You traded $100,000 worth of currency. Traded a standard lot, $100,000 worth of currency. Yeah, well, how much is a pip? Well, if it moves one pip, it's $10. There's 10 pipettes in one pip. So that means each pipette move is $1. If there's 5 pipette moves, there's $5. 10 of those is one pip. I made $10. All right? Mini lot. Each pip is $1. There's 10 pipettes. I'm controlling $10,000 worth of currency. I'm good. So simple. So guys, I'm now going to wipe this off because I'm then going to go now to understanding risk, trade size, and everything else. All right? This is going to be recorded. Don't worry about it. I got the recording. Oh, okay. Okay. I got the recording. It's in the recording. Don't worry about it. It's in the recording. All right. I am going to put this on Facebook. Guys, here's my Facebook. Here's my Facebook. Let me take off the security so you can add me. I don't even know how to. Let me just fix my security. You can add me, and we're all on the same page because I'm going to put it on my thing. All right. I just got to understand who can add me. Let me just fix that. Privacy. Who can send me? Okay, listen, guys. We're going to do this real quick because I don't want the whole world contacting me. So let me just do this, okay? I don't want the whole world freaking contacting me here. So you guys, right now, add me on Facebook, all right? Just add me because later on, I'm going to put this on Facebook, the recording, okay? All right? Add me because I'm taking it off in about 2 or 3 minutes. I'll put it back on privacy, okay? That means you can only add me if you're a friend. All right? HTTP, facebook.com/marketwiz212. All right? Just add me for now. Don't worry about it. I'll approve it later. But when I'm finished and we record this later on, I'm going to go to sleep for a few hours. I'll wake up. It's not letting me see your page. What do you mean it's not letting me see your page? What are you talking about? All right? What do you mean? Who can add me? Let me see. Everyone can send me friend requests. What are you talking about? It's there. I see people adding me. What are you talking about? You got to log in. You got to log into Facebook. You got to log into Facebook first and then add me, okay? I didn't realize that. I'm sorry. Log into Facebook first, add me. Guys, I'm going to go and do my Call of Duty, if you understand what I mean. I'll be back in about 2 minutes. Guys, get up, stretch out, go to the men's room, girls' room, drink some water, and I'll meet you back here in 2 or 3 minutes, okay? By that time, do your adding, and then that way, whenever I post this video, I'll send it out to iMarkets Live. I'm going to put it on Facebook, and everybody's going to have it who's here today. And if you don't add me, don't cry later on, all right? I don't need you to, I mean, obviously you came here because of a derivative of somebody referring you. I'm just saying that if you want this information when I send it out so you don't miss it, you'll get it, okay? So give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, let's get back to work. Let's get back to work, guys. Okay, let's get back to work. So, all right, guys, let's get back to work. All right, you guys, give me another minute, and then we'll start looking at things. Okay, you guys ready? You guys ready? Okay, all right, let's get back to basics. So, we want to get back to risk. All right, so at least we understand risk and trade size and all that. We're going to base it on a $1,000 account. You can adjust it how you want. I think a minimum account should be 1,000. I understand people have 100, 500. I get it. I understand it. So let's start with 100 times 2% equal $2 risk. 500 times 2%. Ronnie, come here. Come here. Get out of the way. Come on. Out, out, out. Come on. Good girl. She almost stepped on the plug. Equal $10. Okay, $1,000 account times 2% equal $20. When I'm done with this, you guys are going to understand how to risk. Okay? You're going to understand how to risk and how to stay in the game forever. Okay? You're going to understand everything. I promise you. And I'm not leaving. I am not leaving. I don't need to sleep. I need to be here and get this done. Okay? So, account size, percent risk, and dollar risk. Okay? Dollar risk. So, I don't care your account size. Percentage is percentage. I don't care. What do I mean by risk $2? Okay. Ingrid, that's a good question. Ingrid, let's just say you have an account size of $100, yes? Say yes. Work with me here. Interactive. You have an account size of $100, right? Okay. And you're risking 2%. Yes? Just work with me. I'm being Juan Martinez in the Jodi Arias trial. I'm going to get you to say yes so we understand each other. So right here, $100 times 2% is how much? $2, yes? Okay. So right here, account size is $100. The percent risk is 2. And the dollar risk based on 100 times 2% is $2. Simple. All right? Now, you have a thing called PIP risk. Okay? We have PIP risk. I want you to come here. I want to, wow, I did all that noise. Let's just get that off the chart. Let's just get that off the chart, put something else there. Oh no, it's not going away. It's like the chart monster. Okay. All right, here. All right, I get it. I get it. There we go. Everybody get off the chart. Everybody. I was joking around on Facebook yesterday, and I said, oh, my people making money. And some guy said, you got to be careful what you say because you can't say all because the feds close you down for that. Are you serious? You know, people can't even have fun anymore, man. Jeez. All right, so let's take a trade example. Let's take an example of a trade. Your trade is here. Your risk is here. Simple. You have 40 pips, okay? If you notice on MetaTrader, we take the X, you press the left mouse key and you drag it. It shows 416. That's 416 pipettes, okay? Pipettes, not pips. That's 416 pipettes, okay? You guys all get that? When you look at a MetaTrader and you hold it down like this, from here to here, that's 1,067 pipettes. That's 106.7 pips. Some people actually think that it's 1,067 pips. That's 106.7 pips, or 1,067 pipettes. So, let's for example say that, and I'm going to use a multiple example. So we're going to use this as pip risk, okay? We're going to say that, let's start with 20 pips. Okay, let's just say that there's 20 pips of risk here. It doesn't matter. Let's just say there's 20 pips of risk. Okay, we're going to buy. You're going to buy here. Right? Let's actually do that. Let's actually buy. It's a demo. And of course, you know, my competitor just heard that and they're like, that's it. He has a demo account. Chris Terry has a demo account. Everybody, he has a demo. He's teaching on a demo account. This is what the craziness out there is. So let's just say you buy one standard. All right, and I did something wrong. All right, let's just say. There we go. So right here, modify. Okay, we're taking the level of risk. That's 200 pipettes, or 200 points within 200 points. Pipettes, same thing. So if I put a risk, okay, right here, 200, right? That's 20 pips. This is 20 pips right here, or 200 pipettes. Okay, we all got that? Yes? We all understand that? Okay? All right, good. Okay, good, fair enough. Let's go back here. Pip risk, 20. Pip risk is 20. Watch how we do this. Pip risk is 20 here. Okay, fair enough. So, what trade size do we use on a 2% risk on, let's just say, $1,000 account? Let's just try with $1,000 account. We want to, okay, let's just say, don't worry about it, a 20 pip risk, just like I showed you. It doesn't matter, it's irrelevant. 20 pip. What trade size do we use on a $1,000 account? Okay, Michael Percy, one more time. We're buying. We bought it, right? Okay. We're putting 200 right here, 200. The stop, or the risk. The stop is the risk. It's okay. Listen, I'm going to go through it with you. Michael, okay? Follow me, guys. Just follow me. Okay, so Michael, so you understand, or Dania, I'm sorry, Dania, so you understand, a stop or risk, it's literally the same thing, stop loss, okay? Oh no, it's okay, don't worry about it, I got you, man. I'm not, listen, Dania, you're not leaving until you understand this, okay? So if I say to you, Dania, I want you to buy here and put a 20 pip stop, or buy here and put a 20 pip risk. It's the same thing, okay? You got it? Same thing. 20 pip risk, 20 pip stop, same thing. Somebody left. They said this has gotten to be too much. You know what? For him, it's okay. I got to make sure we teach the people who need it. So, $1,000 account, It's funny how, you know, rather than staying and supporting those that don't know, he'd rather go do something else. Rather than supporting your own people who you're learning, you're part of one family. Instead of sitting there and saying, you know what, I'm here to support the people who don't know, he goes and takes off. But he's the same guy who's going to smash me on Facebook and say, hey, Chris, I need to know how to do such and such. Well, where were you? You know? Support the people who need it. Be here. Okay? I'm all about being here for somebody. You know, stay here. Stay here. What's the big deal? All right, so tell me, $1,000 account. Oh, man, I dropped milk, almond milk all over my table. And they just cleaned. Oh, my God, the cleaning lady just cleaned. Oh, no. I am going to be such in trouble from the... Oh, Jesus Christ. Hold on a second, guys. This is not good at all. I made a mess. All right, I'm not going to lie. The cleaning people come up like twice a week because I throw stuff all over the place. So, stop. Okay. Okay, is that better? A pip stop? Would that mean... Okay. Or 20 pip stop loss. Okay? Stop loss. That's actually the proper terminology. Stop loss. Okay, so, one more time. Guys, $1,000 account. I want to see. Okay, tell me what size are we going to be using for $20 account, 20 pip? Yes. Yeah. Nope. AJ Joseph, stop. Nope. Okay. Okay, so guys, I see. Okay, here we go. I see all the different results. All right, so we are using 0.10. Okay. Okay, we're using 0.10. So let's do the math. I see somebody put a standard size, somebody put a micro. Everybody that's putting 0.10, you're correct. So, you ready? Here we go. 1 mini lot equal 0.10 equal $1 a pip times 20 pips equal $20 equal 2% on okay, you got that? You see that? Fair enough? Okay. So let's take the same $1,000 account, $20 risk, okay, $20 or 2% risk, same thing. Okay. So let's just say it's now 100 pip stop loss. What size are we using? What size are we using, guys? Carlos Espanana, you're wrong. It's not a standard lot. A standard is $10 a pip. No, Salam. No, it's not 0.50. Okay. Okay, no. It's a micro. One micro lot. One micro lot. Okay, equals 0.01 equals, okay, 0.0 equal 0.0 equal 10 cents. Actually, nope, I'm sorry. 2 microlots. 2 microlots equal, okay, each microlot, let's see, I'm sorry, I'm looking at your screen, I'm looking at you guys doing the math. Sorry guys, 2 microlots equals 0.2 equals 0.20 cents times 100 equal 20 bucks. Okay, so let's do this again. $1,000 account is, yes, I'm going to execute it also. I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm going to go there and execute. $1,000 account with a $20 risk is 2%, 100 pips stop loss. Well, you need 2 micro lots. 0.02 or 20 cents per pip times 100 pips is 20 bucks. Is equal to 2% or, okay, is 2% on. So you got that, guys? You see how you have to define your risk, your percentage risk, okay? You're doing a percentage risk. You don't really care. You don't care if it's 20 pips or 100. You have to define the pip risk based on your account. So, $100 account, 20 pips risk, 20 pip risk, okay? 2% is equal to $2. All right? So we're using what? Micros, right? Or minis. So here we go. We do two mini lots times 2 mini lots. Oops, I'm sorry, 2 micro lots. Even I'm messing myself up now. 2 micro lots is 2 micro lots is 0.02, right? Times all right, guys, hold on a second. There's mathematics here. I'm not used to doing math on $100. I have to be honest with you. Okay, 2 micro lots. 1 micro lot. I'm getting back to basics too, guys. I have to be honest. I haven't never done a $100 lot, $100 account, but I'm gonna figure it out with you. 1 micro lot times, which is 0.01, okay, 0.10. 20 pips times 0.02. Oh my gosh, Christopher Terry. Times 0.0 times 20 times 0.01 per times 0.01 will be times 20 is equal to $2. Okay, basically. So if we had two minis at 10 cents, it'd be 20 bucks. You're doing micros. Okay. It's pennies, 1 penny, okay? There we go. 1 micro times 20 pips is $2. There we go. I got it. Yay. Okay. Yay. So anyway, so somebody said with the $200 account with 20 pip risk, you want to use 0.02. So somebody said they have a $200 account, 200 account times, well, that's just on a 20 pip risk. 20 pip risk, you're using 0.04. That's correct. 02. Okay. Using 02, not 04. Okay, so let me get back here. Now you see me screw up on a simple account there. Okay. So the point is, guys, I didn't mean to just go away from that, but it doesn't matter what the pip size is. So I don't care if you lose 100 or 20. The fact is, you always want to keep your percentage risk the same. Now, in terms of leverage, okay, here's important. Okay, this is important. Leverage. You have 50 to 1 USA. You have 100 to 1 outside USA. Then you have some of these brokers that give you 1,000 to 1 Traders Way. And they get away with it. Traders Way. So, guys, here's the issue, all right? Somebody said, "Hi, Christopher. I had a $100 account and I lost $35. Can I trade with the rest? And what's my risk?" Kitty, you have to do the math. I'm giving it to you. Okay. Okay. So, Dorian's asking, is this why we trade in London? Dorian, are you thinking we trade in London because we get higher leverage, the London session? Is that? Okay. Wow. Okay. So, Dorian, let me explain. You have the London session, okay? The London session opens at 8 a.m. BST, British Standard Time. And that's equivalent in New York at 3 a.m. Okay? All right? So in London, right, when the market opens at 8 a.m., it'll be New York 3 a.m. Okay? That's why we start at 2 a.m. Okay? When we trade the London session, because it opens at a.m., when we're saying we trade the London session, it doesn't matter. This right here is not, has nothing to do with it. Okay? That has nothing to do with it. The New York session starts at 8 o'clock a.m. All right? The London session starts at 8 a.m., but wherever you are located in your country where your broker is, then you get the trade size. For instance, if you live in the United States and use like FXEM or Wanda, you'll get a 50 to 1 leverage. If you live in England or Australia, you'll get 100 to 1. And you live anywhere in the world, Traders Way just throwing away margins and leverage and saying, look, 1,000 to 1. So they kind of broke the rule a little bit, and that's not for me to decide. But I want to show you a couple of things. And that's a good question. I'm glad you asked that, because some people actually think you're actually trading and they don't know that. Okay. So let me find Traders Way website. I want to show you all something. Okay. So Traders Way gives you 1,000 to 1 leverage. You see this? 1,000 to 1. Do you see that? Everybody sees this? 1,000 to 1? Okay. Everybody thinks they got a ticket to millions, because if you have $1,000 account, you have $1 million, right? Let me explain. New to market, right? Right here on their site. New to the market, risks. It's worth mentioning that risks are very small if a big leverage ratio is not used. Blah, blah, blah. And then it says, okay, right here. Observe capital management rules. It says, most importantly, okay, wait. Observe these rules to aim to restrict losses on every given position. Listen. Most importantly, your losses should not be more than 2% of your deposit. So think about this. They're telling you capital observation rules. They're telling you don't exceed 2% of your deposit, basically on any one trade. But they're giving you 1,000 to 1. That doesn't make sense. Okay? So if you have, wait. So somebody said, is it an example? My entry is 1.0910 and I want to put a 20 pip risk. The stop is 1.0890. Yes, you are correct. So, guys, focus with me here. So we know that Trader's Way gives you a big leverage. We know that standard in the United States is 50 to 1. So that means, okay, that means if you have, if you want to trade, if you wanted to trade an account, you can have $50,000 on your 1,000, right? If you bought one, if you just bought, you have $50,000 worth of leverage per 1,000. You have $1 million here. You have to look at it this way. If you're using if you have $1,000, right? If you have $1,000 in cash, and that gives you $50,000 of the free margin there, that margin that you can use. If you buy the EURUSD in the United States, you are buying, it's costing you like $3,000, okay, for a standard lot. You couldn't buy one, all right? But because of the leverage of from Trader's Way, you could buy it for like $100, $150 for a standard. But you have to basically look at this risk, this leverage, as like a big credit card. Just because they're giving this to you doesn't mean that you have to use it all up. So if you take a trade, for example, you take a trade and you take the EU, all right, you take a trade EU with 50 to 1 and you're using so much leverage, so much size, that eats up into your account size. So you're using, for instance, the EURUSD, it's $300 per mini, right? 3,000 per standard, 300 per mini. So that's $600 that you just ate up. That's 600. This is on a 50 to 1. The thing is, if you see something with the GU, right, and you want to put two mini lots, you can't do it. You see, you need another $600. You can't do it. So if you get into a trade with the EU with normal, with 50 to 1, you're eating up 600. You can't do the GU because that'd be $1,200. You've exceeded your margin. You see? So if you're doing it with, for instance, Trader's Way, and they're giving you all this extra leverage, you have plenty of room that you could put other position size on. That doesn't mean because you have 1,001 that you put 5 standard lots on. All right, that doesn't mean that. You don't want to do that. You want to basically adhere to whatever your risk is. So if you look at this, just look at this as a large credit card. Doesn't mean you want to blow it up in one day. So if you have a $1,000 account, you have 2% risk. You have 20 bucks per 1,000, or $10 per 500, or 200, or $2 per 100. Then you basically take your PIP risk. You do the math like I showed you. You're going to watch the video over and over again. And then that'll determine how much your risk is. So if you want to risk $2 per 100, if you have a 10 PIP risk, you just do the math, whatever comes up to be, whether it's 2 micros or whatever it may be. But you have to look at, like Trader's Way, they give you $1,000 worth of 1,001. That's like $1 million credit line on $1,000 in cash. That doesn't mean you use up the whole $1 million. That means that, what if you built up a portfolio of different positions and you're taking swing trades? That means you can keep adding positions, build a nice portfolio. That doesn't mean that you overload it and then you say, well, I made $5,000 on my $1,000 account. That's telling you got too much leverage, you know. So guys, we're right here at about 4 o'clock in the morning. I think we had a good class. I'm going to stop the recording, shut it down, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit it, take out a piece of that, I'll upload it, and we'll get it up on Facebook. I'll email out to members and make sure everybody has it, okay? And guys, I'll see you at 8 o'clock in the morning for the New York session for iMarkets Live in our live trading room. And enjoy your weekend, all right? Enjoy your weekend. I'm hoping I can get the new room set up. If I can, I'll email out everything. If not, we'll just be here again. I'll email everything on the weekend. On Sunday night, we're going to be doing a night owl on Sunday night. I'll email that information. The morning session, Jason, is on iMarkets Live, live trading room, okay? It's for our members. So that's about that. Guys, I will upload this in, yes, Sunday. I'll send it out. It'll be free. It'll just be like we have now. And I'll catch everybody on the weekend. Enjoy yourself. Have a great night. Thank you. Well, I'll see my members in a couple hours.